Next is Senator Rolison.
Good morning. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
And thank you for your helpful testimony today. I have a question. I just concluded 7 years as the mayor of the city of Poughkeepsie, and like many communities has been affected by a rising gun violence, especially the younger population being more involved. And on several occasions, individuals were taken into custody as a result of gun violence brought before a family court judge and wanted to be secured in a secured bed, which were not available statewide. And we know that has been a challenge even prior to raise the age, but it's certainly increased because of that. Does OCA keep data as it relates to family court judges who are unable to find a location within the state for a secure bed for an individual that the judge deems needs to go there?
Yeah, I know that this has been an ongoing problem, especially for the courts outside of New York City, and it's something that we've been extremely focused on. You know, I can check and see if we are keeping data on it, but I can tell you that it's something that our Deputy Chief Administrative Judge for Justice Initiatives, who's also was in charge of implementation for Raise the Age for the court system, I know that she is laser focused on the number of individuals who are incarcerated, getting that number down, as well as ensuring that there are sufficient beds. Because I know I've heard of so many different instances where individuals have had to be transported from, you know, not necessarily Poughkeepsie, but maybe out to Long Island, or have come from fairly far away in order to find a bed and in order to find appropriate housing for an individual who is a young person and is subject to the Raise the Age laws.
I would love if that data was available to be able to, you know, to see it, because it is a challenge with Raise the Age, that those beds, you know, need to be available, and they need to be available essentially immediately. In one particular case, after a juvenile had been involved in 3 instances of gun crime, electronic monitoring was used and was not successful, he actually was finally he was remanded to the county correctional facility on one-on-one 24-hour observation in a part of the jail that was not used by adults, so he was separated. But that currently was not what Raise the Age wanted. So I'd appreciate that, and I'll look forward to talking with your staff about it. Thank you, Judge.
Absolutely. Feel free to reach out to me offline. I'll look into whether or not, I'm pretty sure we have some data, but certainly the larger conversation is something that really concerns all of us, and thank you for bringing up that issue.
Thank you.